Hello, future employer. My name is Rochelle D. Rosales. I am 32 years old. My height is 5'7". My weight is 68. I am from Philippines. My work before is a domestic helper in Kuwait. Now I am here in Qatar. I work as a lady driver. My contract will finish on March 2026. I want to work in Hong Kong as a domestic helper. I can clean, I can iron, I can take care of baby, I can drive, I can cook also, but you will teach me first. I am first fast learner. I hope you will selected me and you will be my soon employer. I have tattoo, but this tattoo will not be a problem to my work. Thank you.